Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing my son's hair. As you can see, he has in some mini twists, and he decided that he wanted to make them a bit bigger. I'm using the ORC Block and Twist Gel and Blue Magic Olive Oil just to moisturize the hair. So I'll be combining the twists. I'm gonna spray the hair so it's not too dry and it doesn't break too much when I'm doing my parting. So what I'll be doing is combine 3 to 4 mini twists together to make one big twist. Now I'm adding the Lock and Twist gel to the roots and also to the ends of the hair. I'm gonna twist the root using the comb twist method, and once I twist the root, now I'm gonna select the longest stranded twist and wrap it around the other twist until it's finished, and then choose another long twist and wrap it around the other twist. It's just gonna repeat the process until I reach to the end. 이건 사랑 같은 시시한 게 아니야. 우리 생긴다면 같이 하자 다야. 나의 주변이 내게 넌 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너의 주변이 내게 난 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아. 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖의 사람. 내가 어때 같은 그런 질문하면 난 항상 너에게 I don't give a I don't give a I don't give a Won't you call me when you get Now this is what it should look like in the end. I'm just going to continue this process for the entire hair, combining 4 to 3 twists together and just keep wrapping the twists around each twist to create a bigger twist. 너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아. 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖의 사람. 내가 어때 같은 질문하면 항상 난 I don't give a 나도 내게 미워 말해도 내게 미워 말해도 내게 미워 매력적인 입술 네가 내게 말을 걸 때마다 내 기분은 higher Girl, what's your desire 내 심장은 paradise You're beautiful
성격 can't you see 다들 너를 질투해 걱정 마 girl can't you see 내 눈엔 늘 완벽해 Won't you call me when you get this yeah 못나도 내겐 이뻐 yeah 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐 yeah I want more money, money, more money yeah I want more money, more money, more money 못나도 내겐 이뻐 yeah 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐 yeah I want more money, money, more money yeah I want more money, more money, more money
Yo. 네가 한숨을 쉬고 있는 모습 보면 절대 걱정하지 않아 너의 건강 이건 사랑 같은 시시한 게 아니야 우리 생긴다면 같이 하자 다야 나의 주변이 내게 넌 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너의 주변이 내게 난 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖의 사람 내가 어때 같은 그런 질문하면 난 항상 너에게 I don't give a I don't give a I don't give a
Won't you call me when you get this yeah 못나도 내겐 이뻐 yeah 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐 yeah I want more money, money, more money yeah I want more money, more money, more money 못나도 내겐
Now he's gonna go under the dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes until his hair is completely dry. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, ciao.